Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I'm here with another valuable video showing you guys how to make money online and how to make money online fast. All right. So this is one of those another, free valuable videos for you. Okay. So before I get to showing you, how you can make money with JVZoo and things like that, which is a free platform, by the way, I wanted to also talk to you guys about something that I see a lot of people do on Facebook. So I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so a lot of people they post their they post their YouTube videos on Facebook, and it looks like this, and it doesn't get any likes or any engagement. I have mine private. Uh, and they're wondering, like why are my YouTube videos not getting any engagement on Facebook? Well, first is because Mark Zuckerberg made sure that everything on his platform, is what's going to get the exposure. You see, this video here that I shot is very, very big, and then you go to this YouTube video, it's very small. Okay, you go to any other, Facebook videos, they're very big and easy to click on. Okay, but when it comes to YouTube, they're fairly small. See, that's another big video. It automatically plays, but these don't. Okay, at the top. So a strategy that you guys can use to make your videos stand out on Facebook to make them fairly big, okay, is you want to come to a website called vidrise.com. Okay, that's vidrise.com. All right. And so what this site is going to do is it's going to make your video stand out. Okay. So you just go in here, you find out whatever video it is that you want to share on Facebook, right? And you want to go ahead and put your URL right here. Okay. You want to click generate link. Okay. Now this next part is fairly important. Okay. So now you see how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look versus this. Okay. Now it's going to be really big. Okay. So it's going to stand out. A lot of people are going to click on this. How you can get a good amount of views and things and clicks on your Facebook when you share it to YouTube. From YouTube to Facebook. Okay. And so now you can go in here. You could actually change the thumbnail if you wanted to, but it's up to you. I usually already have my thumbnails already done. You don't really have to mess with the titles or anything like that. But what you want to do is you want to come down here and click redirect to YouTube. Okay, because this platform is going to redirect them to this platform and your video is going to play on this platform. But you want to redirect the people straight to your YouTube channel. So it says your link will send to all users except you. Your link will, send all users except you to YouTube. Okay, so anybody who clicks on this will be directed straight to YouTube and not this, okay? And so let me show you what this looks like, guys. Let me show you what this looks like now. So I'll go ahead and paste this. Boom. You see that? What you do is you delete this. You do, I'm just going to type a bunch of BS. You do a really good caption, okay? And then you do, a bunch of nice emojis and eye catching, blah, 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 blah. All right. All right. So you want to do that. After you do that, you can go ahead and post it, okay? So now when you post, doesn't that look so much better? Look at the difference. Now people are gonna want to click on that in their newsfeed. All right. So now I'll show you guys what it looks like. It goes straight to YouTube. Okay. So let me show you. Let me give you an example right quick. When I click this, it'll go to this because it's me. It says everybody but me will be able to, So this is what it would look like if you didn't do the redirect. It would send them straight to this site. And that's okay, I guess, but they couldn't engage with the video or anything. So you will want them to go here. You want to click that redirect. So that way, when I put this link in again, it sends them straight to my YouTube channel. Okay. Well, it should. And I think I probably didn't press the redirect. So give me 1 second to do that again to make sure I did it right. Oh, I didn't save the changes, I don't think. Okay, so I saved the changes. And now, when I grab the link, hopefully it sends. It should. Let's see. Bingo, sends me straight to YouTube. Okay. Yeah, so here's the video, YouTube, bingo. Okay, so now they're on your YouTube channel, blah blah blah. So just imagine these are my videos here. Just imagine these thumbnails on Facebook. People are gonna click on those all day. So it's important to have catchy thumbnails. And so that's all I'm gonna say about that. Hopefully that helped you guys who are posting the other way. Now let me get into this other part of the video. Okay, I want to teach you guys how to make a sales funnel. Okay, for free. Like a lot of people don't have money for ClickFunnels. You don't have the money to do any of that. So you want to make money for free. Okay, and you want to do it, as cost effective as possible. I understand that, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can go to Wix.com. Wix is a website platform absolutely free. All right, when you first get there, go ahead and sign up, make an account. You should be able to come to a page like this. Click whichever one you want for whatever niche it is that you're in. I'm just going to click on other and show you, a blank template. And so you can go here. You can have them create it for you, but I would rather you do it yourself so you guys can learn how to do this. So you can crush any business, okay? So you click this. All right. Now, once you get here, it'll give you, options that you can go through and find one that you like. And all you can do is reword stuff and, keep the same website. Or you can, create a blank template from scratch, things like that. So I just kind of want to show you guys a fairly quick way on how you can start doing this and making some really good money with it, okay? And so once this loads up, I'll go ahead and show you, because this right here, when you're doing like things like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, just affiliate marketing products and platforms, you don't want to send them normally directly to the link because most people are already promoting it. So you kind of want to stand out from the crowd. And so what you can do is kind of create your own, sales page or funnel. And then at the end, redirect them to where they can, make the purchase and do that absolutely free. All right. And so the first thing I would normally do here, on you normally want to create a landing page, okay? And they have it to where you can automatically, create a landing page, but I'm just going to show you, what I would do. So I would come, once you get here, I would come over here to this add button, okay? And then you want to look at all these different icons here, but you want to come down here to contact, okay? Click a contact form, right? And then through here, you can just delete the ones that you don't need. All right, so we'll take name off, take that off, and we'll take that off. All right, now this is how you're going to collect your emails. The best thing about Wix is that it automatically sends your subscribers straight to Wix, and Wix holds that. So it's kind of like an autoresponder, and you can use it as an autoresponder because now they have to where you can send out automated emails for free. So it's a great platform for those of you who don't have the money for a GetResponse or something like that. Okay, so you'll do this. Very simple stuff, guys. And then you'll come over here again. You'll come back to the add button. You want to go here to text. And I usually come down here to kind of like a bolder text, a bolder kind of text here. And I'll do all caps right here. And you can say things like, learn how Jeremy makes an extra $3,500 from home, or from your cell phone. Let me scoot over a little bit, from his cell phone. All right. So once you get done with this, you can add, your colors and all that. You can kind of stretch this thing out. Normally what I would do is I would come here, I would copy this, highlight it, I would come down here to alignment. I will put it in the middle. Okay. Now you can stretch this out however you want to do it. This is just a quick landing page. All right. And then you could do something like this, highlight different colors like this. You can come here, we'll highlight that, and we'll come here and make this inside white. So now when you click off, see, you could do that. Okay. And then if you want to make it a little bigger, feel free. You could always stretch your box out. Okay, and then you could, let me go here, stretch it out a little bit more. And you could do it like this. So it's a quick landing page, and then you could have a arrow, a down arrow. So I already have one of these saved, I believe, so I'll go ahead and add that. You go to image, and you can get these offline and go at Google for free. Wouldn't cost you anything. Just type in animated arrows, and I have a lot of pictures in here, so hopefully it doesn't take me too long to find it. Let me see here. Bingo. Okay, right there. And so I'll go ahead and add this animated arrow. Boom. Okay, so now this is your, your where you get your capture your emails. Okay, boom. You will go to manage pages. You will go to add a new page, and then this page here will be the page where you have your video. Okay, so this is your sales funnel. Okay, so now we want to add a video, and I'm just gonna add a random video. So once they put their email in, okay, it'll redirect them straight to this next page. Okay, and this is how you guys can start, creating your own products, man, and really scaling your businesses without having to spend a lot of money. Like, I make good money, but I'm still cheap. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm still cheap, man. I don't like spending, hundreds of thousands of dollars all the time when you don't have to. It's stuff out like this that you can do, buy a domain name for it, and you had your own system. You don't have to use ClickFunnels if you don't want to. ClickFunnels is great, but if you don't have the money for it, or if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. I mean, it's the stuff like this here that people have been using for a long time. So the next page is the page. Now, this page here is normally the page that's going to explain what the business is, what it's about, how it's done. So things like this, you could put your video here. So I went to add. I clicked on video, clicked on YouTube, and then I just added the URL link in there. All right, and then you want to go here, text. I'm just doing a rough draft, you guys, just to kind of show you how easy this is and how quick you can do this. So you could say this is going to blow you away. Watch till the end. Something like that. Okay, you do the same thing. You stretch this on out. Okay. Boom. And then here you can, make it as big as you want to, and then you want to come back down here again, do that, right? This is going to blow you away, and then you can highlight this part here, the watch till the end part. So I would do the same thing. I would go to the highlight part. I'll pick the background color, right? And then I'll go here to the letters, and then I'll pick the white, okay, for it to stand out. So now you're letting people know, watch to the end, okay? Boom. Right here, usually in your video, you want to talk, and then you want to have a call to action. So once you have a call to action, you want to go back here to image, click here. You can go to Google and find these images and then save them on here. You go to Google. You'll grab, one of these images, but I already have one on here. So let me go ahead and scroll down to one of these images. Okay. So let's say I know I got one in here coming up soon, fairly soon. It should be a get started link. There it is. Bingo. Or you could do a buy now. Okay. I'll go ahead and just do get started today. Boom. Right here. So now this is your call to action. This is where, they go ahead and purchase your product, right? And then whatever product you have, you could actually create another page to where they can access the product. Or you can have it to where this is a PayPal link, and how you would link, like you would go to PayPal, create a PayPal button. If you don't know how, you can look that up. You would link it right here. Okay. Link it right there. You're good to go. Okay. So now you got your sales funnel. Simple. Then here you can add more stuff. Like if you don't want this, you want another business, click this, it'll go to another page. All right. That's all I have for you guys. Hopefully that's enough.